Greetings children, report writing. This is for class 12 Cbse students. How to write a report. This is a pakka question for this year's examination. So you should know how to write a report. The main points to include in a report. Don't forget the main points. First you have to write the title. Then it is followed by byline. Byline means by whom it is written. The name of the reporter that you should give, it is called a byline. So this is the format. First you have to give the title, then byline. Then place and date. If newspaper report. If you are writing the report for a newspaper, you have to write the place and date as that we see in a newspaper. Then when we come to the content, what is it about? When and where it took place. If we are reporting some event, we have to write when and where it happened. Then time, details of the events should be given. Another important point is opinion of the viewers or participants. For example, if it is an inaugural program at your school, there should be a chief guest, and what is his opinion? Or if it is some other kinds of events, what are the opinion of the participants or the onlooker? If it is an accident, what the viewers, what the spectators say about the incident, that you have to write. Then giving details of the program or incident. Use of past tense. Don't forget to use past tense to describe the event, as it is a report. We have to write the report in past tense because it is already happened. So these are the main points you have to remember. So I will tell you once again. First you have to give a title, then byline, then place and date of the incident, then what is it about, and when and where it happened, then time and other details of the event, then opinion of the viewers or participants or onlookers. Then giving the details of the program. Then don't forget to write everything in past tense. Check one model question. Your school started cleanliness drive in the neighborhood. As a student representative of your school's eco club, write a report in 150-200 words giving details of the program. You are Mahua of SG International School, Delhi. So this question, take for example, cleanliness drive that your school conducted. How can we write this report? Look at the first title. Special cleanliness drive held. So this held is in past tense. When you write that something is observed or held, it clearly states that this is the past tense reporting. Special cleanliness drive held. This is the usual way we start a report. Sometimes, especially nowadays, we can see that some quote from the participants is given. For example, in this question, the municipal chairman appreciated the students of such and such a school. For example, municipal chairman appreciated the students of Cbse public school. Special cleanliness drive held. Like that, in 2 lines you can write the title, no problem. Then the byline, by Mahua SR, Eco Club SG International School. Then Delhi, April 2, 2022. Look at the first sentence. A special cleanliness drive just before the coming of monsoon was held in our school and neighborhood from March 29 to 31st by Eco Club members. So the very first line states what happened, a special cleanliness drive. Then in addition we are adding that just before the coming of monsoon. So actually a special cleanliness drive was held in our school. So this is a kind of report that is written for your own school publication, not for a newspaper. That's why we used the phrase our school. Yet we used this place and date as it is the part of a report. If it is for a newspaper report was held in, instead of our school, you have to write that SG International School. So a special cleanliness drive, this is an additional thing that we are including in it just before the coming of monsoon. So a special cleanliness drive was held in our school and neighborhood from March 29 to 31st by the Eco Club members. So what was the program? Who held it? And when it was held? By whom it was held? Everything was clearly mentioned in the very first sentence. Look at the next sentence. All the senior students of the school participated in it with great zeal and enthusiasm. So, all the senior students in this cleanliness drive, who participated? All the senior students of the school participated in it with great zeal and enthusiasm. So this phrase you can remember for writing all such initiatives or programs that you are asked to write with great zeal and enthusiasm, which simply means with great interest and a tireless interest. That is with zeal and enthusiasm. So if you participate in a program with zeal and enthusiasm means with a dedication and fervor. That is called zeal and enthusiasm. Let's move on to the next sentence. One day was dedicated to organize a street play on the theme Cleanliness is next to Godliness, to educate the mass for keeping their neighborhood clean and tidy. So we giving the details of the program. One day was dedicated to organize a street play on the theme Cleanliness is next to Godliness, to educate the mass. Mass simply here means the people, for keeping their neighborhood clean and tidy. Come to the next sentence. The message it is sent forth was. So here we are saying about the message of the street play. Sent forth was, one should keep one's home and school clean, and at the same time, as a responsible citizen, keep one's surroundings clean and neat too, including the alley, gully, roads, parks, etc. So this is the message of the street play. As it is a program conducted for 4 days, instead of describing all the cleaning activities, you can include such creative things along with this report, like a street play. And the street play is based on cleanliness is next to godliness. And the purpose of the street play or skit was to educate the people there. So the message it is sent forth, that was, one should keep one's home and school clean. At the same time, as a responsible citizen, keep the surroundings clean and neat. Come to the next paragraph. So this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. Each individual participated in the cleanliness drive was provided with a pair of disposable gloves and a garbage bag. So this is the minute details that we are giving here. Each individual participated in the cleanliness drive was provided with What are the things that provided for the participants? A pair of disposable gloves and a garbage bag. Next sentence. After proper disposal of garbage collected from school, the participants of the cleanliness drive moved out to clean the neighborhood. So after completing the cleanliness program at the school, all the participants moved out to clean the neighborhood. This is the second paragraph. Now let us move on to the third paragraph. This is the third paragraph. Students and teachers went out and swept the neighboring streets, encouraging others to participate too. Look at the sentence development. Here, the students and teachers went out and swept. They moved out and swept. Look at the verb used here. All the verbs are in past tense because it is already taken place. They went out and swept the neighboring streets. That encouraged others to participate too. So that phrase we used along with this sentence. Students and teachers went out and swept the neighboring streets, encouraging others to participate too. So what encouraging them? This thing. When the students and teachers swept the streets, that encouraged others to participate in it. Second sentence. They collected the rubbish surrounded in the bus station and municipal building area and segregated them into degradable and non-degradable waste. So here we are giving further actions that we did. We collected the rubbish. Rubbish here means the waste material surrounded in the bus station. So we have to give importance to public places like bus stations, municipal building areas like that. Then segregated them. So when we are dealing with the cleanliness work, we should be aware of that segregation of the waste materials into degradable and non-degradable waste. So we are writing that fact here. Next sentence. Special attention was given to destroy or move away mosquito breeding things from public gathering places. As it is a cleanliness drive just before the monsoon season, we gave special attention. Special attention was given. Look at the tense used here. Was given, past tense. To destroy or move away mosquito breeding things from public gathering places. Next sentence. The response of the neighborhood people was encouraging and hopeful. Another thing, the response. The opinion of the onlookers, the neighborhood people, the response of the neighborhood people was encouraging and hopeful. The municipal chairman visited our cleaning site and appreciated our efforts. This is the exact opinion of the participant. Municipal chairman who visited the cleaning site and appreciated our efforts. And we conclude the report with this sentence. It was indeed an excellent initiative taken by the school to make people aware of the need to keep their surroundings and gully clean, he observed. He here means the municipal chairman. He further added that it was indeed an excellent initiative taken by the school to make people aware of the need to keep their surroundings and the gully clean, he observed. So this is the way you can write a report. All the essential points should be there, then you will get the complete mark. If you like the video, don't forget to share this with your friends. Thank you for watching till the very end.